Hi guys, I know you are expecting today more drone crashes and shots showing you burning my money. And as promised, they will come, okay? Because those who fly a lot crash sometimes. And I know you are friends of malicious joy, huh? But not today, because today we're gonna have a look again at the hover camera X1 of 00 Dynamics.
No DJI?
Nope, no DJI.
But people will stop watching the video.
Yes, people who only want to watch DJI videos might stop watching here. Can we go ahead, please? If you like what you see, then help us to grow and subscribe. Well, back in here. Lots of you were asking for further videos of the hover camera X1. As you can see, today is a pretty cloudy and windy day. So I thought it might be a good idea to do a little stress test with this little bug and see how she does. So I got myself on the bike and put this little bug directly behind of me. While we were going on the streets, through a park and through pretty tight areas, which were quite challenging for such a little drone. Alright, here comes a big and pretty complicated walkthrough how to start the follow mode. First, take out the drone out of your pocket. Second, activate the drone by pressing the main button on the top cover. After it has booted, switch to follow me mode by pressing the function button multiple times.
Follow.
Put it on your flat palm and press the main button again.
Continue. Follow.
Believe me, it is as simple as that, because it's a pocket drone. Come on! Alright, what follows is the complete footage of my bike ride, uncut and unedited. Write me in the comments what you think. Is it worth to use such a little drone? Does she do a good job? Make up your mind and check this out. Alright, here we are. From my perspective, this little bee did a great job. She always stuck to my back and never lost the focus of the subject. Even there was wind and gusts catching this little drone, I tell you, as you have seen the footage, there was no crash. So, well deserved. Nevertheless, always fly with caution, because this little thing don't has any kind of collision sensors. This means if there are obstacles which are not recognized by the visual system, it can lead to a crash. And here are some examples from my hover camera X1 flying into obstacles. Be careful when going into curves, as the hover camera needs a bigger radius when flying. So if you like the video, smash the like button, drop me a comment below and sub to the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. See you. Bye bye.